Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. This is interesting. Still stands the biggest volume. Yeah, I think it bounced. I just don't have any. I think that's it. Bounce is pretty hard though. I think it's gonna break. We are in correction on Qs. We are in correction and SPY. There are too many trades. I didn't take this or last month. I wouldn't be in profit yet, but I could have actually closed yesterday or even day before. I don't know. And boom. Attempt of addition. Attempt of initiative takeover was too high for an hourly trade, but it was good for KHC revives. Um, this thing would have worked, but it's too high above the 0.5. This is good. This is good. Well, arguably, you know what I mean? Magnet. Here it bounces from 0.5. Last hour of the day. It's getting continuation of the trend. This doesn't go. TKK doesn't go. Because it shouldn't. It's a break. And these 5 minutes are messed up. The Russian market doesn't have enough liquidity for all I care. And did you guys update your systems? I'm enjoying. Can you update it? This trade I didn't take. Too many trades I didn't take. This trade I didn't take. The new updated Tahoe iOS. And I like it. It's a big update. And I like everything about it thus far. I don't know about you. I really like it. So we bypass the sign of strength. So now it's only up to 0.5. So not much room to go. It's already almost reached it. I mean, forget it. This thing goes down in 0.5, so that's too high. Yeah, that's definitely interesting volume. It's our candidate for exhaustion. It needs to change direction, and I think it will. 10:02. So officially it broke direction here. That would be interesting, Clowl, for sure. That's an interesting Clowl for sure. Nike. Uh-huh. Was it? There was no, at no point there was a balance. Maybe arguably there. Continuation of the trend. Oh la la. Doesn't look good. Or Google. Finally in correction. Finally in correction. So CGTV. Yeah, I don't know what it tries to do. I like here for an hourly trade, it's too low, too high above the point five. Oh, sorry, that was a balance, I think, right here, and that was an entry. Bigger volume in our face, so would need a transition extreme. Then transition extreme again, test after test. Yeah, that was an entry. That would have stopped out with real stop, but with virtual stop could have led us to profit. Yes, please. Yes, please. That was our correction. We see strengths, we see weakness. And it's habitual for the market to, for the short not to correct to 0.5, but correct to point 382. Boom. And for long, it's more habitual to correct to 0.6. That's that's why it's Fibonacci levels. We just use 0.5 because it just looks too messy on the chart. We understand it's a zone. So as of now, it plays super cool. So yes, please continue. Um, that was a 1 bar rule actually. And now once we know how to define 31, there's no way. Yeah, so this level was never existent. So technically it's up, up, but I want to keep it this way at my own discretion. This thing goes down. Let's see our bigger winners. We have new category, the bigger winners, biggest winners, because I now feel more comfortable, confident with shorts. Let's go knock on the wood. I don't think it's a good idea to short here at all. It's barely broke the level. 10.5, but it barely broke the level. And there's the volume. Volume is here, and previously this volume was also here. Yeah, and we're all above it, so don't think. Ooh, this volume is great though. Went down. Yeah. This is a good sign that they have. Oh, no, it's not a good sign that most of my shorts are the biggest volumes now. So that couldn't be the volume. This is the volume. See, I automatically know this volume is so much bigger than this, so there is no way the added volume is bigger than this. So this is the level. It's a gap is a retest that's closing. Okay. I need a correction. Maybe it's like one of those when you try to force market into your vision. It's definitely one of those. But I have vertigo trading short long markets when they're so high. It's good for short now. It's not there yet, but it's getting there for real. For real. Yeah, it's right there. And I don't need a close manipulation signal on monthly. Boom. And I don't need a close manipulation signal on hourly. And the volume is decent. And start transition extra on minutes. So let's keep it on minutes then. weird choices. Making weird choices. But you see, on the other hand, how many stocks were showing on Russian stock market, how many stocks were showing good setup. And thanks God we didn't take any of this. It's correction, so it couldn't be short. There's some slowdown here. This was the level. No, this is the level. Oops. Okay, I gotta go. Technically, it's good for short, but I don't see much potential in it, to be honest with you. Yeah, right here. It's right there right now, but I don't see much potential with it. So high, it's counter trend on daily, monthly, like whatever. I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people. I think we're good here now. Everything is unvolumed. So that would be our sign of strength, I think. Since the bigger volume bar participated in manipulation was the one bar up thrust, so that's our sign of strength. I'm glad I didn't chicken out of this put yesterday. Because these gaps look pretty violent. These gaps. But then it come to 0.5, gave us the biggest volume. And now it's good to go down. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay. I'm gonna go. See you soon.